Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential permissions: location, background activity, and battery exempt. Once done, set location mode to high accuracy on Android or location always on iPhone. This reduces drift. Restart the phone, then toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios. Make sure no VPN or mock location app is running, because those interfere. Open Pokémon GO immediately after. This forces the app to require a fresh GPS fix and stabilizes your position. Next, refine the phone's sensors and app state. You calibrate the compass by waving the phone in a figure eight. This improves heading and GPS accuracy. If your avatar still drifts, clear the app cache. On persistent errors, reinstall Pokémon GO to remove corrupted location data. Also enable Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning in settings, because nearby signals help triangulate your position faster. Once these are set, relaunch the game and wait a full minute for a stable lock before moving. To finish, consider hardware assistance. A Bluetooth external GPS receiver provides a stronger, more accurate signal when phone GPS struggles. Move to an open area away from tall buildings or dense tree cover to reduce multipath errors. This often immediately fixes jumpy movement. If problems persist, verify developer options, turn off mock locations, and perform a clean reboot to clear lingering GPS state. One troubleshooting tip: if avatar still warps, switch between GPS only and high accuracy once. This forces a fresh satellite and network handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.